Okay, my other technology, it's a website, it's called Books. They're running a special right now. It's normally not free for educators, but right now it actually is. So I signed up for it. And looking at it, it reminds me a lot of Epic, which I do currently use with my kiddos on their iPads. This I would use though just for me to present to the kids. I would mirror it up onto the Apple TV so they could see it. But it's just a huge selection of books that they read to the students, and it has like little like kind of graphics to it, so it makes it more entertaining for the kids. So it's not just like staring at the pictures. It also kind of reminds me of Storyline Online, which is also a really cool one that I use a lot. It's with the famous actors and actresses who read books to kids and record themselves doing it. But yeah, it's really easy. There's just this is the main screen, and it just has a huge selection of books that you can select that the kids can then watch and listen to, and some of them have resources that go along with them for you as like the teacher to use, which is kind of cool. Um, and yeah, so it kind of reminds me a lot of Epic about like Epic, same concept, except definitely more teacher for the teacher rather than for the students to get on and use on their own. And ISTE standards, I would say, um, 2A and 2B again. Um, yeah, so that's another one of my online finds.